remember all the moments when I couldn't stand, when the weight of all my failures was too much for my hands. But he reached into my sorrow, held me through my pain. He turned my mourning into hope and gave me strength again. I felt His mercy cover me, a grace that set my spirit free. Through the fire, through the flood, He surrounds me with His love. God is real, I've seen Him move the mountains. He's the calm that fills the fountains. When the darkness stills my will, He reminds me, God is real, God is real. God is real. Oh, He walks with me in shadows, and He lifts me when I fall. He's the voice that calms my chaos. He's the answer to it all. God is real, I've seen Him move the mountains.